Hey everyone, welcome back to Gigabits. Today I'm reviewing the Qapital app 2024, which is all about helping you save money more effectively with fun, customizable tools. I've been using it for a while and I'm excited to break down what makes it unique and whether it's worth trying out. For those who aren't familiar, Qapital is a mobile banking and savings app designed to make saving money easier and more engaging. The main selling point of Qapital is that it offers a variety of savings tools that help you build financial habits and meet your goals, whether you're saving for something big like a vacation or just building an emergency fund. One of the features I really love is the customizable savings goals. You can set specific goals like saving for a new phone, an emergency fund, or even a trip, and Qapital automatically transfers money into those savings goals every day, week or month, depending on what you choose. The best part? You can set up automatic roundups where your purchases are rounded up to the nearest dollar and the difference is automatically transferred into your savings. So if you buy something for $3.50, Qapital rounds it up to $4 and puts the 50 cents into your savings. It's a small amount, but it adds up quickly without you even thinking about it. Another feature I found helpful is the Qapital Goals tool. You can create different goals with target dates and amounts, and Qapital will help you track your progress. It's really motivating to see how close you are to reaching your goals, and the app makes it super easy to adjust your savings plan as needed. On top of that, Qapital offers a spending account with a debit card. You can use it for everyday purchases and manage your spending all in one place. Plus, the debit card comes with no monthly fees, which is a nice perk. They also have a feature called Save for Later, which lets you stash away any extra money you have that doesn't fit into a specific goal, perfect for building up savings in the background. A downside to keep in mind is that while the basic features of Qapital are free, you'll need to pay for a premium plan to access some of the more advanced features like premium savings tools and budgeting tools. Also, while Qapital is great for saving, it doesn't have the full range of banking features you might find with a traditional bank, like loans or investment options. So if you're looking for something more comprehensive, you might want to look elsewhere. So, is Qapital worth it if you're someone who struggles with saving money or wants an easy hands-off way to meet financial goals? Qapital is definitely a great choice. The app's unique features like roundups, customizable savings goals, and automatic transfers make it super easy to save without even thinking about it. And with no monthly fees for the basic account, it's an affordable option for anyone looking to build better financial habits. That's my review of Qapital app 2024. Have any of you tried it out? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more tech and finance insights, make sure to subscribe to Gigabits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.